Okay, this street right here was up to chest height when we came in the very first day, and then it went up higher than that. And here's the entrance to Kristi's neighborhood over here. The very roof of this Ford was just barely visible. That Mercedes was completely underwater, and I hit it. For this truck to put people in as a safety spot because that's how high the water was. And this right over here is where I went sliding in the kayak into the poles, trying to go down, and the current was so strong coming between the neighborhoods, between the soils there. Kristi getting in to check out her house for the first time. It's crazy. So here we are, Kristi and Dora are in the house. They're pushing mud out. I'm trying to push mud out to the street because the mud level is lower out there. And picked up this bag lady today. I'm gonna take her back home with me. She's real cute.
I hope you have a shower at your place.
I don't know. I mean, for you? Sure.
We had a potluck that my wife somehow organized, and everybody just wants to have a normal night and not be knee deep in mud.
Here we are. It's a fat party in here tonight. Most people have been out working today already. It's the first day of out kind of cleaning up everybody's mud, so let's go.